You are going to love the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.